How do you do VFX in the Reels on iPad? So let me talk about some options and explain the whole situation. If you are new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you might be using some different social media apps. For example, you might be uploading content to Instagram or, Facebook, whatever. But the point is that we are uploading a video. There are some effects which you can add while you're creating the Reels within the Instagram app, for example, right? So you might be inside of the creation page where you go to the Reel. I don't know, you upload some stuff from the gallery or just capture something right away, whatever. But the whole point is that you have some like features in here inside of the process, right? So you can click on the next and I don't know, add the overlays, some stickers, audio, voiceover, filters, right? Those kind of things are available while you are editing the reel on Instagram. But personally, I like to perform all of the edits beforehand in a different dedicated video editor and then upload the finished product to the Instagram. So instead, I like to use an app for video editing only. In my case, I always go with CapCut, which is free to download and used for the most part, but there are some paid features. But the point is that with such video editor, you can import your videos on the timeline, perform all of the edits like cut, trim, zoom in, apply keyframes, and all of the effects. Like this kind of video editor is full of visual effects which you can apply to your reels, right? So you can work with your files, play around with it as much as you want, and then you're going to export that video and you'll be able to upload it to the Facebook, Instagram, whatever you need. But, I personally like to add the visual effects right here. So you can see plenty of different effects to pick from. Let me know if you manage to make it work on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.